super simple, easy hush puppies, all pantry ingredients. We have some cornmeal, we have some all-purpose flour, we have some sugar, we have some baking powder, and we're just gonna start combining them. How about we start doing that?
I mean,
yeah. So you're gonna give me a little.
I'll work your whisks.
Sous Chef Rachael, Sous Chef Rachael. That's what we like. You see the way this is going right here? Just gonna get to combining. And that's pretty much it. So basically, dry ingredients done, stuff that you bought, you already have it. Boom. In this bowl, we have 1 egg, and we're gonna add some minced onion.
Oh, I love that.
And I would not omit the minced onion. People are like, oh my gosh, it's gonna have such a bite to it. It gives it like extra moisture.
It's giving it flavor.
That the hush puppy. That's
and
right.
Keeps
See?
it moist.
That's right. That's exactly what you need.
Yes.
And we have some unsalted butter. And then we have a little bit of buttermilk.
You want me to stream that in?
We're going to stream that in.
You want me to hold back
so
on it?
So we're going to hold back a little bit. So the recipe calls for 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of buttermilk. However, depending on whatever's going on with your dry.
And the weather or the humidity or where you live, you know what I mean?
Yep, so I'll do. So we're just going to add this in here. Simple. And look at how this just came together. 1, 2, 3, right?
Nothing.
Nothing. And just mix it all together. And then you see how we're going to need that a little bit of buttermilk. So you can just dump that in there. Come on, give me some more buttermilk.
Yes, baby, I'm just waiting.
Yep,
I don't want to mess it up.
Even though you've never done this on the show, I'm pretty sure you made a hush puppy before.
Yes, of course I have.
Yeah. And that's pretty much it. So also, you know, I used to add like a little crab to it, a little shrimp.
I was going to say, you know, you could take this in so many directions. You could add some Old Bay and some crab. You could add some chopped shrimp. Yeah, you can take this silly.
Yeah, well, I love a little Old Bay. I like that.
Yeah.
I love that. So that's pretty much it. And then, of course, we're going to...
That's what I'll do when I do them next. Like, I'll come up with one for you, maybe a little remoulade on the side, and we'll do a seafood.
You see? There you go. You got to come on this, Rachael. So I don't know. So I used to have a seafood soul food restaurant. That would have been amazing for it.
They'd have been around the block.
Okay, you better talk about it. So we have some oil preheated. And of course, you have your oil preheated because we want to start dropping it in. We don't have to wait for the oil to get hot because we want to eat and stuff. And you know how we do. And we're just going to drop them in the oil. Oh. And it's just so super simple. That's it. And of course, we're not going to overcrowd the pan.
Right, you don't want the oil temperature to drop too quickly, guys, and in between your batches, just make sure it comes back up to temp. That's why she's got her handy, trusty thermometer right there.
Yep. And of course, and we don't want the oil too hot either, only because the outside will be nice and golden brown, and the inside
be raw.
There you go. You better talk about it.
But hey, you want me to make the honey butter?
Yeah, make a little honey butter, because you know I like a little dip, like a little sweetness.
You gotta have a little something.
Gotta have a little something to go with it. I love this audience. They just clap and they make people feel welcome and appreciated.
Where they clap for food?
Right,
That's so fun.
they're just like, salt.
Yes, salt. Cheese.
Sugar. Butter. I love it.
All right, a little honey.
So we have our hush puppies right here. Ooh. So normally we'll drain. So we'll drain them. We'll drain them. Let's do it the right way.
We're just going to pile them up.
So we're just going to pile them up. We're going to pop them on there. We're going to drain them. And, of course, like anything, you hit it with a little salt.
Yes.
That's right. Reinforce those flavors.
They're warm.
And that's pretty much it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3.